To all my viewers, followers, and friends, this is a cannonball tree. The cannonball tree hails from the tropical America and belongs to the Brazil nut family. Its large hard fruits and usually see animal-like flowers develop from protrusion on the trunk. This type of flowering and fruiting from strong fragrance, unlike the fruits which emit a foul smell when the bluish-green pulp is exposed to air. The heavy and large spherical fruits gives the tree its common name. Today's visitors are able to enjoy this rare and unusual beauty throughout the Singapore due to the early efforts of the garden's noble plants sourcing activities here in Botanical Garden, Singapore. Thank you for watching my videos.